Okay, guys, we're about to start a brand new unit today, and we're going to start off by looking at our teak. And parents, you're going to notice that I'm going to kind of go back and forth, and I'm going to talk to you sometime, and I'm going to talk to the kids sometime, so that I can, hopefully this video will kind of help you as we begin what we call contextual multiplication, and I'm going to kind of explain that, because our teak actually says we're going to model, create, and describe contextual multiplication situation in which sets are equal. When we're going to use concrete objects to make equal sets, and we're going to show that through modeling, through creating, through describing, and I'm going to kind of show you what all that means. All these big words don't mean a lot to you, I know, but I'm going to show you how multiplication is done at our level. So we're going to start today with the next slide. I'm going to go on to the next slide, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to start with the kids today, so I can show them what we're going to be doing as far as our world of multiplication. We're going to see a problem here, and the problem tells us what, everybody?
There are 2 lizards. Each lizard has 4 feet.
So I'm going to go through this one by modeling. So the first thing I know that this problem told me is that I have 2 lizards. So I'm going to have to go down here, and I'm going to get 2 lizards. Here's a lizard. Here's a lizard. So I know that I have 2 lizards. Multiplication is simply groups of things. And I know that today that I have just gone up and gotten 2 lizards. And so my groups are actually the 2 lizards. My groups are lizards. As you see, these are objects that I can actually see and describe. And that's what we're going to do. Now, it told me there were 2 lizards, and the next thing it told me that each lizard had what, everybody?
4 feet.
So I know that I'm going to be counting the
4 feet.
I'm going to count the feet in each group. That's what I'm looking for. In each group of lizards, I'm going to count the feet. So I'm going to go back over here, and so that I know that I know that I know, I'm going to circle. And I see that this one has 1, 2, 3, 4 feet. And I know that this one has 1, 2, 3, 4 feet. So I have 2 lizards. My groups are lizards. And I'm counting the feet in each group. And now I know that I have 2 groups. And I have 2 groups of 4, or 2 groups of 4 feet. And when I go back and find out how many I have in all, I'm going to find out that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 groups of 4 feet is 8. That is our world of multiplication. We're going to use it. We're going to do it. That's what that big old word contextual means, is that we're going to be doing it. We're going to model it. We're going to create it, and we're going to describe it. And so that's what we're going to continue to do.